We stayed for one night at a cost of £62.40, which included breakfast. We couldn't stay for the morning meal due to our flight, but there is an option available if you're heading out early, which we'll tell you about later. In this video, we'll show you the room, where we ate out, and our overall thoughts on the stay. Shower, sink. What the amenities are there? What the shower gels? Zero shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner. All looks fairly smart, doesn't it?
Quite big.
Yeah, it's
use the best use of the space. And then if you shut that door, you then got ironing board, hangers.
That's useful.
Yeah.
It's not the biggest room. It's not the biggest room in my opinion. It's not small either, but it just feels, I don't know, it's quite tight here, isn't it, beside the bed?
Yeah.
But you got all this extra space for the chair.
Yeah.
More space around there, isn't there?
Yeah. Telly's a little diddy one.
It's quite old.
Yeah.
Like kettle test, ever look inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fairly clean, isn't it?
Yeah.
Won't be having anything.
No.
Because there's water, we've got a little bit, but not much.
The view.
So it's really wet and cold, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the railway station in the DART.
And there's the airport.
You see a plane landing?
Oh yeah. We've got some USB ports beside the bed there, John. A little reading light. It's a phone. It says start each day with breakfast. Breakfast buffets from 6 AM to 10 AM.
And it said in the lift, if you're leaving before breakfast starts, they can do you like a takeaway breakfast to collect on the way out.
And also there's TV channels on the back to tell you what they are. These times don't equate to what was in the lift. In the lift there was an adjustment because it's Christmas time.
Oh,
so
okay.
it was slightly different. I think breakfast is at 8. Small plugs here on the side, which is useful. No USBs there though.
We were staying here just for one night. We've got a really early flight and that's why we did it. So we, because it's Christmas, the DART that connects the hotel to the airport isn't running when we come back. So instead we parked at the airport and then we've got the DART to the hotel, which makes it a bit easier for us in the morning and also when we get back. We ate at the airport and we didn't want to eat in the hotel. It looked okay, but there wasn't a big range of stuff, so we ate at Flatham restaurant.
This is a very quick journey, it's a mile.
I know, it's the most expensive mile, isn't it?
Yeah, Camden, pale ale. How many you had?
I had some chicken tenders and a mushroom wrap. And what did you have, Paul?
I had a crispy chicken burger, but really it was chicken tenders in a like a bun.
Yeah.
With some fries.
Yeah, a massive pile of like skin on fries.
On yours was lots.
Yeah, so Paul helped me out with those.
Yeah.
And then after that we did the Twilight Bag drop with EasyJet, which made it easier because we just dropped them off and then came back here. And then about 4 tomorrow morning we can get the DART back to the airport. So as a little whistle top tour, there's not a lot to show you in the room really.
One thing to note is that if you're walking in torrential rain, which it was raining quite a lot, is if you're walking from the DART station to this Hampton by Hilton at Luton Airport, it's not covered and you will get wet because we did. Yeah.
And we're here because we're going to Berlin, so if you're interested in watching the Berlin vlogs, then keep an eye on our channel. Quick morning review. We got some sleep, not lots. The bed was super hard and also like really creaky. And also it was quite light in the room. There's no curtains. There is a blind, but it's just so bright.
It's not blackout.
No, it's not blackout. Just having a little snack bar while Paul's getting ready. And then also it's just door banging, isn't it, all night? It's a 24-hour airport, so it's also 24-hour door shutting, isn't it?
Yeah. There's some, it's just very noisy, yeah. It reminded me of what it's like in a airport hotel where there's not very good sound installation. from the corridor to the room and room to room as well. So it's a bit, it's a bit of a tough night really.
Yeah, even before we went to bed though, I don't know what it was, but I think people were playing music or somewhere in the hotel because it was just so much bass. But yeah, so we got some sleep anyway. A little tired, we headed out of the hotel, dropping our keycard in the box on the way. Luckily it was dry and pretty much as soon as we arrived, our connection to the airport was here. Luton DART is very frequent.
This shuttle is for the airport.
Thanks for watching, see you next time.